Facelifted FK8, Wales, Snowdonia, these roads. Driving heaven, just driver's paradise. Obviously the roads are a bit damp, but never let it dampen your mood when you've got a weapon like this. What a beast. Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog and welcome to another video with the FK8 or facelifted Honda Civic Type R FK8. Yeah, we're here in Anglesey, Wales still, and yeah, I just wanted to give you a bit of more of a drive video because I said I was going to give you it and drive it a bit more. The roads, it's definitely cold, but the roads are better, so I'm going to just let you enjoy me kind of going through the car and also just enjoying the drive and driving it a bit more. So yeah, watch on, and if you've got questions about anything, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section and I'll answer your questions as best as possible. But yeah, I hope you've been enjoying the FK8 videos and I hope you enjoy this. Enjoy the drive, enjoy me going a bit more closer to 10 tenths, well, probably like 8 tenths because I'm not going to push it too much. Car's still kind of semi running in. But yeah, watch on and enjoy, and see you in a bit. So yeah, a bit of a different one again. I'm in the beautiful surroundings of Wales, and we are in Snowdonia. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the drive video. Been absolutely amazing on these roads. Not the conditions to put it in race mode, like I say, a bit different. You see me in a hat, but it's hideous. It's pretty nasty. Well, it's not too bad. It's spitty, horrible rain that really soaks you to the bone. But yeah, it's been nice. It's a good day, and it's been definitely a day for comfort. Using the comfort mode, a little bit of sport here and there, but obviously traction on, very slick on the roads and lots of standing water. But those quantities keep you safe, and it's been an absolute pleasure. So you're just in all kinds of different conditions. The day has been really, really bright actually, and then it's gone quite gloomy and wet and overcast, and like I say, hence why you can see Snowdon looking like that. But largely it's been a great day, and it's been fun, so much fun. That car is literally an absolute driving weapon. It's just the perfect mile muncher, daily car, daily tool, and yeah, absolute A and B road basher. And track warrior, it's a beast, absolute beast all round. So much fun. We've kind of driven it about 800 miles now, so really well running now, all different modes, and it is just blown my mind even more. That car is the best hot hatch on the planet, probably ever made, in my opinion. It still feels nice and analog when you want it to, and you can just do what you want with that car. It's a beast. But yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed our drive video. Yeah, if you've got any questions, hit us up in the comment section. As always, like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now.